Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, we're going to do a painting today. And look, I've already been painting. It's in my hair. One day I'm going to learn, okay? One day. Apparently it's not today. Okay, so let's get with this, okay? So I already have everything mixed. I'm just going to do a small painting. And I'm going to be using, so that I can get out, my funnel. I'm going to find a dry place to set it for now. Would be great. There we go. Okay, so my base color is a very dark blue. I took this blue and added some black to it to make it darker. So yeah, let's get busy. And I want it on here thick. I probably should have put some gloves on so I can move this thing around. But you guys know me. Sometimes I just don't think things through. Okay, so we got it on there. Good enough. There's that. I'm just going to lift my whole Lazy Susan up. Okay, that's good enough. It'll all even out, so I'm not worried about it. All right, so I have a few different colors here. This is a color shift. That's the only turquoise paint I have. So I went ahead and used it. I got metallic gold. I have regular, I think this is metallic. Yeah, this is metallic blue, metallic red, fluorescent purple, white, and a little bit of fluorescent pink. Not much, just a little. Just a little. Just enough, y'all. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to try to, all this is wet. All this paint that's on here, so it's got me all messed up. Get this stuff a little bit closer to me. I probably should have it on this side, so let's do that. It's going to have to be out of reach of my paddle here. Okay. Good enough. So, I'm going to take my funnel, and I'm just going to drop it in the middle. Okay. And I'm going to start adding colors to it. I think I want to do a little bit of white first. And some turquoise. Then blue. A little bit of red. A little bit of gold. And some purple. Because I want it to shine. And let me do some pink. I don't have much. So that's empty. Now, let's do the blue. And these colors do not have to be in any certain order. Do a little bit of red. Oh, look at that. Great. the rest of my gold. Some turquoise. And you know what? I forgot to add black. Oh. So let me get my black out. I can get the little lid off of it. I'm sinking it into it so it'll be spread out through it. Okay, so it's about up to here, which is more than enough. I'm just going to let it flow off. That way I get a nice even flow everywhere. And I'm going to take this up in pulses, okay? So here we go. Turn it a little bit. Okay. Done. All right. So what I'm going to do is hit it with a heat gun. I really do not want air bubbles stuck in there. Okay. So yeah, I got a little bit of a mess, y'all. Get this going down that way. Okay. Okay. Now, with the heat gun, I'm going to go back in with my white. Let's add a touch of black. A little bit further out of the way. I have a scrape mark where I touched it up with. I wanted some more of the blue to come through. You guys, I do not know how well y'all can see this. Let me try to move you a little bit closer. It's very pretty, I think. I really like this one. Really like this one. This is going to be, this is just gorgeous. But I'd like to do a little bit of mix so there's not quite so much black here. And let's see. There. Let's do this first. See what happens. Not a whole lot. Okay. Hit it with a heat gun. Oh, look at those cells. Y'all, this is going to be beautiful. I absolutely love this. I don't think you guys can see it the way I see it because you got all this other mess going on. Hold on. Let me get the camera down and I'll get you guys a better view. Okay. See those cells? And see, the red showed up. And that's all I wanted was a tiny bit. And that's what I got, was the tiny bit of red over in here. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You guys, it's awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. One day I will do the mix with y'all. It's really simple. It's just consistency is what you're looking for, you know, and it has to be runny enough, you know, to do the flow. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I will talk to y'all later. You guys have an awesome day, okay?